This is my Lego cruise ship. I built all on my own. It has Lego people can go up to here and look at the view, and then they go down this hallway, slide into the pool. I got 2 more pools and a flag and some propellers. And it's a model, so I made it where it could turn. And I got some windows on here. And these white pieces are life rafts. And that's it.
Say bye.
Bye.